Let me get set up, y'all. Listen. This that part of life that ain't fun. On these little homesteads, small farms, especially when you up here in the north. The weather. Because these animals still got to get fed and they still need water. And I don't know if y'all can hear them in the background, but they calling me. Like, okay, let me show you what they doing. They out here. Look at all of them over there. They mad. Like, when you coming back out? So, this is what we got to go do. We got to go out here and take care of these folks. So, I got to take this water out. And I can't take the water and the camera. So, y'all give me a minute to get the water out there. Then I'm going to come and get y'all while we do the little chores. But give me a second. It's all fun and games around here till this dang on weather change. Stuff still got to be done. Woo-wee. Leo is having the time of his life because he love to be out here in the snow. And obviously, the chickens and stuff do too. Because as you can see, they out. Leave them alone, Leo. He don't even bother them chickens until he see me come over here. All right. Whew. Let me get their food and stuff. Now my gate frozen. Look, get out the way. Okay. Let's get these folks fed and taken care of. I gotta lock the gate because if I don't lock the gate, Leo try to come in here and eat up stuff. If he can find the egg, he will. Okay. All them birds that's out, they're gonna have to jump back over this fence to get back in because that's how they got out. Because I'm closing the gate up till I get done. But this is my routine. Hoo-wee. Cold or not. So let me get the food. Y'all just hang with me. Come on, everybody. My goats need some baking soda. So let's get y'all started first. Leo, leave them chickens alone. Come on, let me take y'all with me to feed the goats. We're gonna do them first. Come on, y'all. Get out my way so I can move my camera. Y'all, I see. Wait a minute, let me tell y'all what I see. Wait a minute, let me get the goats taken care of first. Then I can tell y'all what I see. Leo? Leo? Y'all, everybody is surrounding me because I got this food in my hand and I'm trying to set this camera up. And the two don't go together so well. Hold on. The goats is knocking my tripod over. There we go. Move. All right. I think I'm ready now. Almost. I'm trying to get it right. There we go. Camera crooked. It's all kind of stuff going on. I should have known better than be trying to do this with one hand. Okay. So, let me get the animals kind of taken care of a little bit. Then I'm going to show y'all what I see. Because it's a little troubling. I see drag marks. Like something was drugged by something. So that means I gotta go and look for who did make it. Three. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on. move, move, move. So that gets the goats out of my way so that I can take care of the chickens. But what I see is some drag marks. So I'm gonna have to feed everybody and then go try to figure out who dragging what drug what. But right there, that path, and it don't look red like, you know, plasma. I don't know. Leo, leave him alone. Wait, y'all. I gotta go get my damn bird. Leo. Told you about playing with Leo. She all right. Going on. Okay. Woo-wee. Leo, he don't be doing that. He hate that I come out here and be tending to them. So let's get these off there. Move, move, move. Everybody in my way. And y'all, that ain't even everybody. I got to get the other ones because they act like they don't know how to get out their cage. So. Part 2. Now I gotta refresh the goats. Hey. I'm also looking for signs of the crime scene because like I said, I see drag marks by something. So, but I don't see nobody down and out. So, I guess everybody all right. There was some shenanigans going on out here for sure. Now, my goats need some baking soda. So we're going to fill up their little baking soda batch. They got minerals in there. And when I let them out, they'll come in here and get what they need. This is also the time that I look for eggs in the hiding spots just in case somebody's still laying. And I don't see none. So, look at Leo over there trying to get in the gate, y'all. He gonna come in here because he just want to bother them because I'm out here. If I wasn't out here, he would not bother them animals at all. He's jealous like that. So, we done with the, I'm done feeding everybody. Oh, I got to get some water, don't I? Forgot about the water. The goats is done eating, so I can go over here and let them out. And they can come and join the chickens. Give me a second to do that. As you can see, this don't take long. It's just, whew, wait, my camera won't sit right, y'all. Okay, stop it, Leo. This don't take long at all. It's just the inconvenience of it being cold out here. That's pretty much our time here. I'm gonna top off everybody's water again to make sure it's enough for now. All right. And that's it. Whew. It's cold. Ain't nobody gave me an egg. Not even one. I got 2 little spots to check. Everybody got food. Everybody got water. Finna get Leo some water. Ooh, my hands is frozen because I dropped water on my hands. But that's my own fault. That's what happy look like. And again, they don't care nothing about the snow. They can go back inside of their runs or their coops whenever they want. I don't know why she up there, but she be up on the roof too. I don't know where she going, but somebody always got to be different. But she missing the food. She up there eating snow. So, hey. I have to come back out here and give them water again 1 or 2 more times just in case their water freezes. But as you see, them little baby dinosaurs, they don't need my help with winter. All they need to do is stay dry, keep the wind off of them. And when they want to, they'll go back inside of their coops and stuff. But they like to be out. These some hardy birds, because that's what they've been subjected to. So we don't use no, I ain't got no heat in my coop. Let me get this straightened up. We ain't got no heat in the coop. We ain't got no lights, none of that extra stuff. If they stop laying eggs, they just stop laying. We'll let them have a little break. My hands is frozen. We'll let them have their little break to reset their bodies. But otherwise, they just do what they do, baby. And that's it. My name is Officially Fran. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.